Hey Bellaras, welcome back to your favorite corner for natural skincare that actually works. This is another episode of the Glow Up Essentials series. And today's star ingredient, chickpea flour. If you're new here, I'm all about simple, effective skincare using ingredients from your kitchen. Nothing fancy needed. Especially here in Australia, where the weather changes constantly, you need skincare that adapts with you. That's why I love chickpea flour, also known as besan. It's been used in traditional beauty rituals for generations. In this video, I'll show you how to use it to fight breakouts, brighten dull skin, and control oil naturally. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I post skincare DIYs every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Let's talk about why chickpea flour deserves a spot in your skincare routine. It's rich in zinc, which naturally fights acne and inflammation. It gently exfoliates dead skin without damaging your skin barrier. It helps fade hyperpigmentation and dark spots over time. And it controls excess oil, a must during hot Aussie summers. You can mix it with yogurt, honey, turmeric, rose water, anything that suits your skin type. I've covered some of those ingredients already. I'll link those videos for you below. Here are 3 real DIYs I've already shared using chickpea flour, and they're some of the most effective recipes for pigmentation, oil control, and glow. First one, potato and chickpea mask for pigmentation and melasma. This one is perfect if you're dealing with dark spots or pregnancy melasma. It includes 1 teaspoon of chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon of milk powder, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Mix it all in with fresh potato juice. It helps brighten, hydrate, and smooth uneven tone. Number 2, parsley mask for acne scars and oil control. Great for oily, acne-prone skin or anyone struggling with dullness and texture. It uses 1 teaspoon of chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon of milk powder. Mix it all in with parsley water, rich in antioxidants and vitamins. If you're wondering how to make parsley water at home, I've linked a full step-by-step video below. This one is amazing for tightening pores, clearing blemishes, and refreshing your skin. Number 3, turmeric glow mask with chickpea flour. If you want instant brightness and a natural glow, this one is your go-to. It includes 1 teaspoon of chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, a pinch or a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of milk, and a few drops of lemon juice. Skip it if you have sensitive skin. It helps with pigmentation, uneven tone, and dull skin. I've already shared full tutorials for each one of these chickpea flour recipes on my channel. So if one caught your eye, check out the full videos for step-by-step instructions, application tips, and results. They're all linked below in the description. Here's how to adjust chickpea flour mask depending on your skin type. For dry skin, use yogurt and honey. For oily skin, use rose water and a drop of lemon juice. For sensitive skin, skip turmeric and stick with yogurt only. If you're not sure what your skin type is, I have a full video breaking it down for you. That's also linked below. So Bellaras, that's why chickpea flour is one of my must-have glow-up ingredients. It's simple, it's effective, and it's been trusted for generations. Whether you're fighting acne, dullness, or just want a no-fuss skincare staple, this is it. Comment below if you've ever used chickpea flour, or if you're going to try one of these recipes. And don't forget to check out the full Glow Up Essential playlist for more natural skincare deep dives. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay glowing. Bye.